Okay, students, so next question number 4. I think number 1 we have already done, right? A, what is the set? You just need to see in the list what is there. Oh, the question is write the following in the set builder form. So they have given in a roster form, okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. They have given the element list here. Now this one you have to write in a set builder form. Set builder form means, again I repeat, you have to write down one property here such that with that property the other person must be able to list this element. Okay, so you have to write in that way. So what I can write, A is equal to set. It's a set, right, in which X is an element. I have written in general form, X is an element. Now what is X? X is your 3, 6, 9 and 12, right? 3, 6, 9, 12. So how I will define X? X is equal to, you can see, if you see this list properly, 3, 6, 9, 12, it's what? It is multiple of 3, right? 3 times 1 are, 3 times 2 are, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, you can see that. So what I can write it is multiple of 3. 3 into n. Now what is your n? You have to mention restrictly, because see, n can be what? 3 into 1. It can be 1, 3 into 2. It can be 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Let me write down here. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So you can see n can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So n can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So restrictly I will mention here like this. N is less than 5. Okay. And what I can mention is n is natural number. N belongs to set of natural number. Okay, if I say n belongs to set of natural number, what does it mean? N can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this it will go on, right? Now again I have given one restriction. What is that? N is less than 5. Okay, so since you are doing for the first time, you might be thinking, right, what kind of set we are writing. So when you will do more number of problems, you will be habited with that. Okay, so let's try number 2. Number 2, what is the element? You can see 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what kind of number is this? You can see it is 2 to the power something, right? 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 square, 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So try to find out one property in this elements. Okay, once you understand the property here, that property you write down here. So B, what I can write? It is X. Now X is this element, right? So you have to mention what is X. X is 2 to the power n again. Can I write like this? Now if I write 2 to the power n, what is your n? N I will write it belongs to natural number. Okay, now n belongs to natural number means if I stop here, I will understand that if you write this one, I will understand that the element will be 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. It will go on like this, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. If you stop here, okay, I will go on like this. So I will think that elements are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 2 to the power 6. All I will calculate and I will think that these are the elements, but these are not the elements, right? 2 to the power 6, after that it is not there. So means what? N can be, I have to give restriction again. N can be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5 it can be. So n is less than equal to 5 you can write here. Okay, or you can write less than 6 also. Less than 6 if you write, then also we will understand it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so I hope you are understanding a little bit. So with this property, if I don't show you this, if some other person see this one, this property, they must be able to write down with the help of this the set and the elements. Okay, they must be able to list the element here so that your property will be correct. Then only will be proper, your property will be correct. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong if you are not able to list all this with the property. Okay, so again 225, 125, 625. Again some property is there, right? What it is? What kind of number is this? 5, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4. So what I can write? C is equal to X. What is your X? X is 5 to the power n. What is your n? N belongs to again natural number and n is less than equal to 4 you can write, or you can write less than 5 also. Okay, D. What is D? You can see 2, 4, 6. After that they have given dot dot dot. This means after after this dot 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 means it will follow same pattern. Now what is the pattern here? You can see 2, 4, 6. These are even number, right? All the even, positive even number. 2, 4, 6. Next what it will come? 8, 10. It will go on like this. Okay, so you have to list. Now this is infinite elements you have here. So how you will write down here? So D is equal to X. What is your X? X is even number. Even number, how you can write? 2n. Multiple of 2, right? Even number always. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3. If you put 3 here, this you will get 4 here. Next you will get 5 here. Next you will get. So n will be what? N belongs to set of natural number. I will stop here. There is no restriction because it will go till infinite. So n belongs to natural number. The moment I will write this, I will understand that n I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10. It will go on like this. Okay. So if you put like that, you will get all the elements. Okay. So this is your set builder form. Next, number E. Number 5 I mean. E is equal to what set? What are the element here again? 1, 4, 9, then dot 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 means elements are there in between. Then last element is your 100. So what property it is following? You can see 1, then 4, then 9. What kind of number is this? 1 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 to the power 2, right? Okay, not 1 to the, okay, these are all square numbers, I think. Yes, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 10 square. Can you see? So next number what it will be? Obviously you can guess from this pattern only. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Next will be 4 square, that is 16 will come. Okay, next will be 5 square, 25 will come. So you know those are the elements, right? So what is the property here? Square of natural number. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 10 square. Till 10 square it will be. Right? So what I can write? E is equal to E is X. And what is your X? X is square number. Square of what? Square of natural number. Natural number, right? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square till 10 square. Now if n belongs to natural number, if I stop here, I will understand that n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinite. So in this way infinite element you will get. But you will get till you have element till 100 only, right? Means till 10 square only. 11 square, 12 square, those are not there. So till 10 means n can be 1 to 10. So what you will write here? N is less than 11 you can write, or less than equal to 10 also you can write. Okay, less than 11 you can write, or less than equal to 10. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to write in set builder form. So practice little bit. This is just to exercise your brain. Okay, whatever topic we have discussed, based on that they have given simple question just to exercise your brain. So practice well these things, because this we are going to apply in the other exercise and other chapter as well, and properly you need to understand all this, otherwise you will face problem in the upcoming chapters. Okay, next question number 5. Okay, let me show you question from here only. So what it says, number 5, I hope you have opened your textbook, right? See from there also. Okay, list all the elements of the following sets. List all the elements of the following set. So they have given a set and you have to list all the elements. This time you have to write in roster form. You can see they have given in set builder form. What they have given? A is a set and the curly bracket, right? So it's a set. Now what are the elements there? X. Now what is your X? X is an odd natural number. So you can list the element. Number 5, 1. They have said A is a set whose element will be what? X. Now what is your X? X is odd natural number. So what is your odd natural number? 1, next 3, next 5, next 7. It will go on. So just put dot dot dot. It will go till infinite, right? So that is your set. Simple, right? Next question. B. They have said X, B is a set in which X is the element. What is your X? X is an integer. So your element will be integer. Now what kind of integer? They have given some restriction here. X you can take only less than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means what? 4 point something, right? 4.5. and minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? If you divide this, you will get 0.5, half, right? Minus half. So your okay, let me write down here. What is your A? A is a set in which x is the element. What is x? They have said x is an integer. If I stop here, I know the element will be what? When you list it, element will be is an integer. When they say, I will write all minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, all negative number, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all will be there in the set. But they have given restriction. X you can take what? Less than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5. And minus half. Minus half means minus 0.5. So x can be greater than this and less than this. So greater than this, if you draw a number line, this is your 0, this is your 1, this is your 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0.5, minus 0.5 will be here, right? This is your 0. Then 9.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, then next will be 5. So this is your 5. 9.2 means what? 4.5, it will be in between this 4 and 5. Right? So you see, x can be less than this and greater than this. Greater than this means x will be here. Less than 4.5 means x will be here. Right? Now x is what? X is an integer, they have said. So what are the elements we will list? 0. Greater than this, 0 is the integer, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So since they have said less than 4.5, so these are the only integer we will have in the list. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Okay, so you need to understand the question carefully. Okay, next what they have said, number 3. If you see number 3, they have said, see, x is an integer, again integer. Now what kind of integer? X square must be less than 4. So you have to take those integer. Let me write down question here so that you can understand well. C, this is B, okay? I have written A. See what they have said, its element will be x. What is x? X is an integer. If I stop here, your element will be what? All minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on your left, whatever numbers are there, 0, 1, 2, 3, all will be there in the set. But they have given restriction. You cannot write all. They have said you have to take those x whose square must be less than 4. You have to take those integer, x is an integer, right? And your element of C will be integer. First thing, don't get confused. Don't put x square directly element. Okay, don't take square element here. Element will be integer, simple integer only. Now which kind of integer? Whose square must be, whatever element you will take here, I will check its square is less than and equal to 4 or not. So for example, integer 0, can I take 0? Yes, 0 square is how much? 0 only, less than 4, right? So 0 will be element. Let me write down here first. 0 will be element. What about 1? Next integer in your right is 1, right? 1 will be element of this set or not? So they have said you have to take those integer whose square is less than equal to 4. So 1 square is how much? 1 square will be 1 only, less than 4, right? So 1 also will be element. Next 2, can I take 2? 2 square is how much? Equal to 4, right? 2 square is 4, so equal to 4. So okay, that also you can write. They have said x square must be less than and equal to 4. So this also, this also will be element here. Okay, 2 also will be your element. Now what about 3? Integer 3, can it be the element of this set? They have said x can be integer, right? So 3 can be there or not. So you can see the restriction what they have given. You have to take those integer whose square must be less than equal to 4. So 3 square is how much? 9, which is not less than 4. So this cannot be the element. So greater than that, if you take, square of that also will be bigger. So greater than that will not be the element. What about less? Integer can be negative also, right? Negative 1. Negative 1 can be the element of this set. So let's see, square of minus 1 is how much? 1 only, right? So yes, this will be the element. 1 is less than 4. Next, minus 2. Minus 2 will be element or not? Minus 2 square is how much? 4 only. So minus 2 also will be element, because minus 2 square is 4. Equal to 4 you can take. Square of that element, if it is equal to 4, then also you can take. So square of this is 4, right? So I can take this also. Now if you take minus 3, then square of minus 3 is how much? 9, which is not less than 4. So this is not your element. So what will be the element here? And if you take less than minus 3, obviously it will be greater than 4. So obviously you will not get x element in this list. Okay. So what are the elements here? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. You can see I have written only those integer whose square is, they have given the restriction, right? You have to take those x whose square must be less than equal to 4. So don't get confused. Here I am not writing the square element. I am writing the integer whose square is this one, less than or equal to 4. Okay. So minus 2 square, you can see it will be 4. Equal to 4, right? So it can be element. Minus 1 less than 4 square if you take. 0 square less than 4. 1 square less than 4. 2 square 4. You check other integer. All will be greater than 4. So you cannot take those other elements. So these are the only elements of this set. Okay. Next, number 4. I will just explain here only. Okay. D. X is a letter in the what? Loyal. So this is very simple. You just have to write down all the letters here. D is a set in which X is element. What is X? X is the letter of the what? Loyal. Letter of the word loyal means what are the letter of the loyal? Letter of the word loyal. L, then O, then Y, then A, then L. Remember, you have to separate each element with comma. Okay. So these are the elements. They have said D is a set X, where X is letter. X means element, right? Elements will be letter. Which letter? Letter of the word loyal. So I have written all the letters of the word loyal. Okay, simple. Next, question number 5. 5, what they have said? X is month of a year not having 31 days. So not having 31 days, what are the months? So you can write simply that one, right? February, April, like this you have to write down. June, August, like this you have to write down all the months which does not have 31 days. Okay. Next, 6. F is equal to X. Its element is X. What is X? X is consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Okay. So basically what they have said, here the element of F will be consonant. Which consonant? Those consonant which will precedes, means before K. Before K in your English alphabet, before K, whatever is your consonant, all you have to write in this set. So you know what is your vowel? A, E, I, O, U, right? So other than this, all are your consonant. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, I you cannot write vowel, right? K you cannot write. Preceded K means before. Precedes K means before K whatever consonant. So these are the consonant before K. So can you see? With the help of those property, I am able to list the element. That's why that is called set builder form of set, through which you can write down the elements. And this is called roster form. Okay, where we are listing the element. Is this clear? So I hope roster and set builder form is clear for you. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so I think number 6 you can do yourself also. Okay, you try yourself whether you have understood everything or not. You can check with question number 6. They have said just match the column. This is just match the following. You can say you have to match 1 to 6 will be which set. In set builder form they have given here, and they have given in roster form here. So which will match with which set, you have to find out that. Okay, so 1 2 3 6 2 3 mathematics, you can see which set it belongs, and this one which set. You try to exercise and try yourself. Don't look from the back side. Okay, then only you will know whether you have understood or not. So in the next class I will discuss different types of sets. Okay, set you have understood, right? Now different types of sets are there. Some are infinite sets, sometimes some are finite set, empty set, different type of sets. So those sets we will discuss, and some property, and then we will start our next exercise also. Okay.